Welcome to ClearTask. Today, I am going to show you exactly how to insert a picture from Google directly into your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. We will cover the fastest method, as well as the best method for keeping your images in high quality. Let's start with the quickest way. First, open your web browser and go to Google Images. Type in what you are looking for and hit enter. Once you find the right image, click on it once so it opens in the preview box on the right side of your screen. This ensures you get the best resolution. Now, right-click directly on that image and select Copy Image from the drop-down menu. Next, switch back to your PowerPoint presentation. Click anywhere on the slide where you want the picture to appear. Simply press Ctrl-V on your keyboard, or right-click and select Paste. Your image is now on the slide. You can click and drag the corner handles to resize it perfectly. If you are having trouble pasting, or if you want to make sure the image stays in its original highest quality, use this second method. Back on Google Images, right-click the picture and choose Save Image As. Save it to your Downloads folder or desktop. Then in PowerPoint, go to the top menu and click the Insert tab, click Pictures, then select this device. Locate the file you just saved, click Insert, and you are done. It is that simple. If this quick tutorial helped you out, please drop a like and subscribe to ClearTask for more direct professional guides. Thanks for watching.